How to turn on end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. So if you want to turn on end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, then first open up your WhatsApp application. Go for the upper right for the three dots. Go for settings, and here you can simply go for chats, and under chats go for chat backup, and here you will have end-to-end encrypted backup on the bottom. Tap on that, and from here you need to turn that on. Tap on turn on, and here it says that you need to create your password, or you can use your 64-digit encrypted key instead of that. So you can simply tap on create password because it's easier. So you need to create your password from here. Once you've created, tap on next, and then you need to retype your password. And once you've retyped, tap on next again. And once you tap on next, now tap on create, which is on the bottom. And that's it. That's how you can turn on, or that's how you can create your end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.